Ants are everywhere, and people often get the wrong idea about them, which messes up how they deal with these little critters. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities, and here are 7 common myths about ants debunked for better understanding. Number 1. Only dirty homes attract ants. Nope, ants don't just come to messy places. Even the cleanest kitchens can lure ants if there's a tiny crumb or some water leaking somewhere. Number 2. Killing visible ants solves the problem. Squashing a few ants you see won't fix the whole issue because those ants are just workers. The queen and nest are hidden, and that's where the real problem is. Number 3. All ants are the same. There are tons of ant species with very different habits. Carpenter ants like wood nests, fire ants sting painfully, and others like sweets or proteins. Knowing what kind you're dealing with helps you fight them better. Number 4. Carpenter ants eat wood. They don't actually eat it. They just dig through wood to make nests, especially in damp or rotting wood. Fixing moisture problems is key to keeping them away. Number 5. Ants only invade during warm months. Some ants are active year-round, even in winter, looking for warmth and moisture. So don't ignore ants just because it's cold outside. Number 6. Seeing one ant means no infestation. Actually, one ant usually means there's a bigger colony nearby, since ants leave trails for others to follow. Spotting one should get you checking for more and sealing entry points. Number 7. DIY methods are always effective. Stuff like vinegar or cinnamon might scare ants off for a bit, but rarely wipe out colonies. Professional treatments or good bait stations work much better for long-term control. If you want to handle ants smartly and avoid all these common mistakes, visiting bighomeprojects.com can connect you to trusted local experts who know exactly how to tackle the problem right at its source. Don't wait until ants take over. Get ahead of the problem with the right info and help today.